Let me also show you the buy button, because this is pretty cool, where you can sell something on your website. So if I open my website up, what I could do is create a buy button, product buy button or collection buy button. So I'm just going to do product. We're going to sell, let's sell the Happy Me cup that we created, the Happy Me cup. Right, select. And then I can change the variants, how I want it to look, you know, which colours available. I'm just going to sell the white one. So that gets rid of the little variant option here, which you could leave on if you wanted to. But I'm going to just sell the white one. Layout style, do I want it in full? Do I just want a little classic or the basic? Basic's just add to cart. Let's just go classic. Add product to cart. Open product details. How do we want it to do it? The button style we can tinker with and things like that. Shopping cart information we can save, and advanced settings we can tinker with all that stuff. See the little thing in the widget in the side. I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go to my website. I'm not logged in, so here we go. We'll log into my website, and I'm going to create a new page, right? So it's going to be, let's create a new page and say, oh, my website's slow. Come on, baby. All new Happy Me cup. Check me out with a Happy Me cup. Look at the spelling. You know, and then you would have, maybe you would add a picture of you with the cup. So let's just grab that screenshot of the cup. So imagine that's me with a cup. Now, underneath that, what I want to add is my buy button, right? So I'm going to embed this code. So I'm going to embed, oh, not a URL. I don't want to embed a URL. Go away. Delete. Remove this. I'll edit HTML and just paste that code in that I've got, right? All new Happy Me cup. Here we go. Publish. I'm not sure if I've done that right, but preview. And now a page on my website. If my website wasn't so slow. I'm always tinkering with stuff. That's why my Shopify is a bit messed up and my website's a bit messed up, because I'm always adding these plugins for here we go, let's go view page for things like that, right? So here's the information. Here would have been a picture of me. You want this cup, and add to cart. Right, here's the cart. Checkout. Into the checkout. Add the free. Do what we need to do and sell. So that again is how to sell an item on your website. So that's another cool feature. Add to cart or buy now button. So you don't need the image, you could just say buy now, right? But the add to cart dumps it up in the corner, staying on your website, and then the checkout does go to the other website. So it's a really cool feature, the buy now button.